I thought I'd make this quick review really fast, get out of the way, letting you guys see what it does, what's it good for, and invest in a good backpack like this. I recommend it. It's very good quality. Your teeth of the machines are not gonna break. Every time you carry your machines, you're on the go and they start chipping and moving inside. All right, let's go. Let me show you what's inside. We got this here. You're able to put a pen, but put some hair clips in here. Here you can put in your sprays, your products, hair products, cool care. Here you got room for some shears, some guards possibly if you want to put in here. Put your Sanex strips, your blades or guards, put them in order. You tie down your machines right here, they're not going to move. I had some machines break on me and I have to buy new blades every time you carry them in a normal backpack. You got right here more space to put in maybe some notes, small notebook. It's made out of microfiber cloth. You can tie it down right here. All the zippers and the material seem pretty sturdy and good quality. Want to be on the go? Just get one of these. I recommend it. And I'll see you guys on the next video.